Cubic root of 2x square plus 9x minus 18 equals to cubic root of x square plus 3x minus 2. We are going to solve this radical expression in this video. First, it's a simple matter. We will make cube both sides. So this case, cubic root 2x square plus 9x minus 18 power 3. Similar, x square plus 3x minus 2 power 3. So we are making cube both side, right? Next, so for this reason, this cube and this cubic root gone. So we can write easily 2x square plus 9x minus 18 equals to x square plus 3x minus 2. Now everything will be transferred to left side. That's why here is a 2x square, and we can add both sides by minus x square, or we can subtract both sides by x square. So here is a minus x square, right? And here is a plus 9x, and we are subtract both sides by 3x, so minus 3x. Here is a minus 18, and here is a minus 2, so we will add both sides by 2, so plus 2. Therefore in right side will become 0. Okay, now once we simplify, here is a 2x square minus x square, we can write x square. Here is a plus 9x minus 3x, it will be plus 6x. Here is a minus 18 plus 2, it will become minus 16 equals to 0. So this expression, we can easily find out the value of x. How? We can factorize this one, but before factorize, we have to find out the factors of 16. So 16, 1 times 16, it will be 16, but 16 minus 1 will not 6. So we have to find out that pairs, which one becomes, once you multiply, it will become 16, and once you become summation, we will get 6. So we can write like a 2 times 8. It's a matter of solution. What's 2 times 8 is a 16, and 8 minus 2 is a 6. Therefore we can write like this way. Here is a x square and plus 8x minus 2x, and here is a minus 16 equals to 0. Okay, so from here we can take common x, so x plus 8, and from here we can take common minus 2. Here will be also x plus 8 equals to 0. From this expression, now we will take common x plus 8, and here we will be get x minus 2 equals to 0. So it's a very simple, we will get to answer. First one, we can write in here either x plus 8 equals to 0. That means once we subtract both sides by 8, we will get x equals to minus 8. Another one, here is x minus 2, or we can say or x minus 2 equals to 0. Then we can add both sides by 2, x equals to 2, and this is our answer. It means x equals to 2 or minus 8, right? So we need to verify, is it right or wrong. So let's verify. We get two answer, one is 2, another one is a minus 8. So first, in a left side, cubic root 2x square plus 9x minus 18, and in a right side, here is cubic root of x square plus 3x minus 2. Now we will put the value of x, right? So first we can put 2. So here is a cubic root, and here is a 2, and a 2 square plus 9 times 2 minus 18, right? So what will be the value? here is cubic root 2 times 2 square means 4, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 9 times 2 is 18, minus 18. So this 18 and 18 out. 8 means 2 to the power 3, and once we avoid cubic root, we will get 1 by 3. So 3 and 3 out, we will get 2. Now in right side, we also put 2. So here is a cubic root x square, and it will be 2 square plus 3 times 2 minus 2. So cubic root 2 square means 4 plus 3 times 2 is a 6 minus 2. So cubic root 4 plus 4 6 minus 2, or here we also can write like 4 plus 6 is a 10, 10 minus 2 is a 8, and finally cubic root of 8 we can write 2. So our first part, it means x equals to 2 is a perfect thing. Now we will put the value against minus 8. So same thing, here is a cubic root, and here is a 2x square plus 9x minus 8. It means 2 minus 8 square plus 9 times minus 8 minus 18, right? Minus 18. So what will happen in here? So 2 minus 8 square, it means 64, plus, not plus, plus and minus, it will be minus. 9 times 8 is a 72 minus 8, right? So cubic root here is 64 times 2, it will be 128, right? And here 2 plus 8 is a 10, it means 0. Carry 1, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 1, 9, right? So here 8 minus 0, it will be 8, and here is a 3, right? Cubic root of 38. So we can keep this one in here. Now what about against in right side? Similar cubic root, and then x square plus 3x minus 2. X square means minus 8 square, right? Then plus 3 minus 8, and here is a minus 2. So here will be cubic root minus 8 square, it will be 64, minus plus minus 3 times 8 is a 24, minus 2. So cubic root here is 64 minus 26. Okay, then here is also same thing. In here cubic root of 38. So both are same. This case we can say our required answer x equals to 2 and minus 8 are perfect. So thank you very much for being with me. This video I am trying to solve a radical equation, which is very important for any kinds of competitive examination, especially algebra 2 and SAT math practice. So take care. Next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice, and don't forget subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.